Good morning, good morning. Today I'm going to do a quick video on a company that I ordered some products for the first time, and I just wanted to show you guys how they ship their products, and I found them to be a little bit reasonable in prices, so this is why I ordered it from them for the first time. And good morning. So we'll be right back after this intro. Alright guys, here we go. Let's start unboxing this. Like I said, this is the first time I'm using this company. I have an account with them for almost, I want to say almost 2 years. Never ordered material from them. I've always looked at their cutters and their machinery for this line of business. And I have one machine that I want to get from them that's for another day. But let's get right into this so that way you guys see the way they ship stuff. And the shipping was fast. The shipping was, I want to say 2 days. So it wasn't so bad. But I need this for a customer that I'm about to do. And then, yeah, so let's get to it. Way before I cut myself. So as you can see guys, it's nice and bubble wrapped, everything's in there nice. Toss it to the side. Alright, so I needed some transfer tape. It's a big roll. I want to say it's 100 yards. But by 12 inches. But if you keep buying it on Amazon, you're spending about $20 for, I think, 10 yards or 30 feet, they call it. But buying a big roll, I mean, it's only transfer tape. I mean, it doesn't really have to be secured or protected. So let's put that to the side. Now, I ordered 2 rows of Oracal or Oracal, whichever way you want to call it, 651, which is like a sticker vinyl. And I also ordered 2 rows of heat transfer. And first of all, I want to say the heat transfer prices for Siser or Caesar, whichever way you want to call it, it's the same price everywhere. I mean, you're not gonna get discounts unless you buy it from Amazon, but you don't know what you're gonna get. That's just the bottom line. They can tell you it's Siser and they send you something else. So I like to go with a reputable company that I know that they're gonna sell me the product that I want. So just by looking at the vinyl and the 651 sticker vinyl that I ordered, it came in individual boxes. That's a big plus for me because it's being protected and nothing's gonna get damaged. I order a lot from other companies and it comes just rolled up in plastic, which is protected as well. But to actually see them in boxes, that's a good thing. Here's the packing list, the transfer right, ultra clear 1310, which I got here. I have the 2 Oracles, 12-inch, 2 Siser, easy reach heat transfer. Yeah. So it looks like everything's here. All right. So first things first, I'm gonna start with the 15-inch vinyl. And like I said, again, I like it that's individually in its own box. That is a huge plus for me. If I can find my trusted razor here. I don't want to make this too long for you guys. Just an unboxing of some supplies that I ordered. So this is the Easy Weed White. This is the 5-yard. I've ordered two. I ordered a 5-yard, and I also ordered a 10-yard, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 5-yard and a 10-yard, because that's what I need. I got 36 shirts to do. Most of them only have back prints, but I think I want to say like 15 of them have front prints, so I needed that many. I know it probably would have been better to buy two 10-yard rolls, but all right. So I mean, it's well protected. It's on a big roll, which I like as well. That's great for storing. So that's one. Here's the other. This should be the 10-yard roll. Yes, it is the 10-yard roll. It's not bad. I don't understand why they do that. They always put the glue side, you know, around the roll. I'm guessing as they're measuring and rolling it up on this roll, this cardboard roll, that's the way they roll it. But I mean, the clear side is the side that we actually junk. So why not protect it and roll it with the clear side out? So if it does get, you know, scratches, at least it's not scratches in the glue or the adhesive, you know. And I mean, it's in the box. It's all right. So here's the 10-yard roll. So that's the 2 rolls there. Now I'm gonna go towards the calendar vinyl. And I wanna say that their 651 is the cheapest for the amount that you're gonna pay for a smaller roll from anywhere else. You can get a hell of a lot more. I mean, usually when you order this, it's about $1 a foot anywhere you go. I actually found this to be a lot cheaper for a 10-yard roll, which is 30 feet, and you're gonna pay almost the same price as you would pay for, you know, a 15-foot 5-yard roll. So that's something that US Cutter has, that their 651 for a bigger roll is almost the same price as a 5-yard roll from anywhere else. So definitely US Cutter, your vinyl, your 651 is definitely, I found to be the cheapest that I have seen. So that's the grass green that I need. This is for a landscaping company, by the way. So this is the grass green. Now, I also ordered, the box is empty, so let me just get this out of the way. I also ordered a brown. The only bad thing is that the brown that I was looking at for Oracal was, in my opinion, too dark. So the company, since it's a landscaping company, the company wanted grass green, which this pretty much looks like grass green. I mean, it's really close to grass. And the brown, which is, for me personally, was too dark. It didn't look like dirt. Like I said, I live in Florida, and most of the sand, because that's normally what it is sand. The dirt is mixed up with sand, so it's a lighter brown. So I ended up going with what was called a nutmeg. Yeah, I think it's nut brown. Nut brown, that's what it is. So I think that this nut brown, because the sand is a little orangey and the dirt, you know, so I figured that this color would be the perfect match compared to a dark brown, which is the other color. I mean, they have light brown, but it's like a cardboard color brown, and I mean that going on a white magnet, I don't think was the logical idea. So yeah, this is the way they send it. I don't know why. Okay, well, it looks like they cut the roll. That's why they have tape on the top, which it shouldn't matter. Yeah, see, it's all the way around. So I'm guessing they cut it down before they send it to me, and they just didn't take off the excess tape. The cut's not like perfect, but now how do I know that this is actually 30 feet or 10 yards? I don't know. I would have to open it up and count it, but who really does that? Usually I do it by weight. I would take, well, there's no way to find out. So anyway, I would just weigh this, so the next time I order, I know that it has to weigh the same amount. For this, the Siser vinyl, I have other companies that I've, the other company that I order for, and I always weigh theirs, and I just compare weight. So that's what I'm gonna do. I do have a 10-yard roll there, so I'll weigh it on the scale, and I'll take the white and I'll weigh it on the scale as well from US Cutter, and if it weighs close by, then I know I have the right amount of footage. Sometimes I'll open it up. I mean, a 15-foot, 5-yard roll, yeah, I'll open it up and I'll measure it out just to make sure. If it's 1 or 2 inches shorter, whatever. I mean, they even do it in their disclaimer before they send. So guys, like I said, this company was fast shipping. Not only was it fast shipping, but I feel that their sticker vinyl is on point, and it's the best bang for the buck. Let's just say the Siser vinyl is the same thing anywhere. It's the same price anywhere. Everybody has pretty much identical prices unless they're having a sale. The transfer tape, I say this was the better deal to buy it big, because if you buy it on Amazon, it still comes from the same company that you're gonna order this from, which is US Cutter. Still comes from the same company, and you're paying more. So if you order directly from the company, you're gonna get a bigger roll, it's gonna last you longer, and it's gonna be worth your money. So my opinion on this company so far, packaging wise, I think it's pretty good. I love the way that they put the box, you know, put them each individual box inside of another box. I mean, the transfer tape wasn't in the box, but it's transfer tape. Who cares? You know, they're just gonna throw it out of the way anyway. But my main concern is the sticker vinyl, because if it gets a scratch, you're gonna see it. The vinyl, if they can roll it on the other side, on the clear transfer side, I think it'll protect it more. But I mean, they have it in boxes, so it's not a big deal. But my opinion, US Cutter, I give it a thumbs up. I mean, I did save myself some money on the sticker vinyl. So right here, what you see is about $192 just for these 4 things. Mind you, this is about $51, $52 itself, but you're talking about 100 yards, so it'll last me a long time. Guys, I would definitely buy from these people again. I mean, I like the individual wrapped. I think everything was nice and neat. Their shipping was fast. I mean, I ordered it. It was shipped out the next day, and like I say, it was like a 3-day. And I think it came from Tennessee, because I know they got 2 warehouses, so I think this one came from Tennessee. But like I said, it was fast. UPS sent it, and I'm very good with UPS. I got an account with UPS, and I try to ship everything UPS. Unless it's something small, then I'll go with Postal Service. But guys, check these people out, US Cutters. I would definitely be buying more purchase of the calendar vinyl or 651 or Oracle or Oracle, whichever way you want to say it. I definitely will be buying a lot more. Also check out their cutters. Right now I'm looking at one of their cutters. I'm thinking maybe the Titan. I mean, contour cutting I really don't do, so I might go with the SC2, but I'm still debating if I should just get the contour cutting just in case. I might go with the Titan. So that will be for another video. If I order it in, I'll unbox it and I'll show you how that looks. But guys, go check out this company, US Cutters. Thank you for allowing me to get this pretty fast, and I appreciate your business. Definitely will be doing more business with you guys if you guys are watching. Like I said, I don't get paid to do this. This is just my opinion on what I see when I open up the box. So guys, go check them out. Definitely get your 651 from there, because they're a lot cheaper than anywhere else I've seen, and for a larger amount. So for now, guys, this video is going to be only 15-16 minutes long. I love you guys. Peace. And I'll check you out on the next one.